Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, Asad Yaqub is here once again to motivate you. Right? If you don't feel like studying Ielts, this video is for you. If you cannot concentrate while doing listening tests, reading tests and all that, this video is for you. And if you think you should not do Ielts and do something else, this video is actually for you. I'm going to share the result of my students and the students who got their desired band. Well, guys, success is when you achieve what you want. So some of these students, they needed 5 band, they got 5 band. For them, that is success. Some students, they needed 7 band and they got 7 band, that is success. And some wanted 6 each. For Canada, they got 6 each. Here comes my first tiger, first student. His name is Karan Bhakar. Karan Bhakar appeared in Ielts and he got listening 7.5, reading 6.5, writing 6 and speaking 7. And by the way, Karan had actually followed my videos, my study plan, and he got his desired band and he is very happy. Congratulations, Karan. Let's go on. Then another student of mine, Sara Inaum. She's been my online Ielts student and she wanted 6 band, not less than 6. And by the way, luckily Sara Inaum got listening 6, reading 6, writing 6 and speaking 6 with an overall 6 band score. Congratulations, because she wanted this band score and she got it and she's very happy about it. Let's go on. Then there is another student from India. His name is actually Manoj Joshi. Manoj, congratulations. Manoj achieved listening 8 band. Reading, hold your heart, guys. Hold your heart. Reading 9 band. Writing 7.5 and speaking 7.5 and overall band is 8 IDP India. Well done, Manoj Joshi from India. Okay, now let's go on. The story is not finished. Then I've got another wonderful tigress. Her name is Rishma Martin from India. Rishma got listening 8 band. Now guys, see, if they can do it, you can do it. Reading 6.5, writing 6 and speaking 6 with an overall band 6.5. That fulfills her requirement, not less than 6, and she's going to achieve, actually she's going to fulfill her dreams as well. So Rishma, thank you very much and congratulations. Let's go on. The next one is from Bangladesh and this student of mine, his name is Nasrul Islam. Nasrul Islam got 8.5 listening, 8.5 reading and writing 6 and speaking 7 with an overall band score 7.5. Now these guys are the guys who are getting band score from Cambridge University. Right? We cannot say all the time they don't give band. You don't get band. हाँ तुसी नहीं कुछ करन जोगे. वो band नहीं देंदे तुसी नहीं band लैन जोगे. वो रिश्ता नहीं देंदे तुसी रिश्ते जोगे. हो ही नहीं. Those who don't get it. Okay, work hard. All right, and then we go on another student. Let's just see. Yes, this one from India. Now let's see that. This Indian student, his name is Kevin Kumar Paresh Bhai. Okay, Kevin Kumar Paresh Bhai Patel from Gujarat. Right? His band score listening 7, reading 7.5, writing 6, speaking 6 with an overall band score 6.5. And yahoo! He's going to achieve all his goals and fulfill his dreams to study in Canada. Right? Let's go on. I mean, there are many students and I want to pay them a rich tribute. The next student is from Indian Punjab. His name is Ranjeet Singh. Right? And Ranjeet Singh achieved listening 7.5, reading 6, writing 6, speaking 6.5, overall 6.5. Now Ranjeet Singh is going to Canada. मैं ते कनेडा ही जावांगा. हाँ, exactly. Ranjeet Singh, congratulations, very good. Now let's go on. The story is not finished. And again, I'm telling you, you will get very positive vibes from this video. You will get determination. You will get motivation, right? Next, I've got another student of mine, and she is from India. Her name is Beant Core, right? Indian Punjab, Beant Core. And she got listening 6, reading 5.5, writing 6, speaking 6, and actually overall 6 band. So this band actually fulfills her requirement. So she is good with that. Alright, after Beant Kumar, if we go on, there are many other names. I don't want to miss anyone. So we've got another student, Rajput Harsh Singh. Right? Actually, Harsh Singh Rajput. Listening 6, reading 6, writing 6, speaking 7, overall 6.5. That's awesome, guy, huh? Alright, let's just go on a couple more. And last but not least, my online IELTS student, her name is Jasmine Core. I still remember you, Jasmine, okay? So a rich tribute I'm going to pay to you. Jasmine Core, actually, what did she do? Actually, she sent me this message, right? I just helped her and she said, I didn't take, alright. Jasmine says, okay, Jasmine didn't take any class from me. She's been my subscriber of my channel. Jasmine says, sir, now she texted me, I didn't take any class from you. I asked you to guide me. You shared videos with your tips and tricks. I followed those tips and apply in exam. Remember? And I said, yes, I remember. And then Jasmine Kaur sent me her great result and she got 9 band in listening. Just she followed my videos and my study plan. Reading 7, writing 7.5, speaking 7.5, and actually what she wanted to get 7, but she got more than 7. Overall band score is 8. Jasmine, congratulations. I'm proud of you, Jasmine Kaur. That's fantastic, right? So guys, I've got many other names, many other people. I've got this other one from India, Bhavya Bharatabahai. Alright, she got listening 8, reading 6, writing 6, speaking 6.5. So all the best when you guys achieve your desired band. Desired, I'm telling you, if your desired band is 4, congratulations. If your desired band is 8777, when you achieve your desired band, you must tell me and I'm going to pay a rich tribute. And guys, those who watch this video, let me tell you, you have the same potential. You might have seen these people are not different. They are just like you. And you are going to be like them. They are like you and you are going to be like them. And very soon, your TRF is going to be here or here. Wherever Yasin is going to put the TRF, right? So very soon, your TRF, your picture is going to be here. And I'll be telling you, my student from this country appeared in IELTS and this is the band score he or she got. I'll wait for your result. All the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.